Hug a toy is one of the cutest tricks you can teach your dog, and definitely a crowd pleaser. This trick is physically demanding, so do not attempt it with a compromised dog. You should pick a toy that is light and not too bulky, so that your dog can hug it easily. The toy should also be both long and floppy so your dog can grab it in their paws after picking it up. Before starting to work on the hug itself, you need to build sit pretty duration. Your dog should be able to sit pretty for at least 5 to 6 seconds to have enough core strength for the hug trick. Let's first teach your dog to hug a toy that you hand them. Warm up with a few paw targets while your pup is sitting. Then cue your dog to sit pretty and ask for paw targets. Work with each paw and give multiple treats if your dog uses both paws. Next, teach your dog to grip the toy. Place the target behind the toy and ask your dog to sit pretty. Reward if they touch the toy. Give multiple treats if they touch the toy with both paws. Fade out the target as you progress. Mark only for a grip. Let's now tighten the grip to get a hug. Reward your dog for using both paws. Gently pull the toy away from the dog. Their opposition reflex should push them to hold it back. Slowly build up to get a firm hug. When the grip is strong enough, release the toy and reward for holding it in their paws. Give release word after 1 to 2 seconds. Build duration up to several seconds. Let's now teach your dog to hug a toy that they hold in their mouth. First, let's work on holding an object while sitting pretty. Warm up by asking your dog to hold a short stick-like toy as they sit. When they reliably hold the stick until cued out, ask your dog to sit pretty as they hold it. Release and reward when they do. If your dog struggles with this step, ask to hold the stick while performing simpler tricks such as spin or down first. Back to the toy. Hand the toy to your dog and reward them for hugging it. Then ask your dog to hold the toy in their mouth by one end so they can easily hug it. Reward any attempt to hug it. Continue until your dog is able to hug the toy they hold. The final step is to add the pickup. Start by shaping your dog to pick up the toy. Play tug with the toy and throw it away. Click and reward when your dog picks it up. To get your dog to pick up and hug the toy, begin by asking your dog to hug the toy they already hold in their mouth. Then throw the toy on the floor and encourage your dog to pick it up. Reward any attempt to give the toy a hug. Eventually, your dog will figure out that they have to pick up the toy by one end to be able to hug it.